In this video lecture, we're going to look at what is called Typedef. While working with structures, previously we've learned about structures, so you can use Typedef to give name to your user-defined data types in structures. Let's say, for example, you can use Typedef with structure to define a new data type, and then you cannot use that data type to define structural variables. So, in C programming language, we are provided with a keyword called Typedef, and this can be used to give a type in your name. Let's say I want to give, let's go ahead and write a simple code for this. And are going to still work with the employee data types, where the employee data, where we created the data of an employee, their name, his job, his car, and his salary. Let's say Typedef. So I'll create a function out here called company. So I've created this company, and what I'm going to do is at the end of this here curly brace, I'll go over here and put this to be com. So this is a new name that I'm giving to this. Alright, so this is a new name that I am giving to this comp. So this is possible because I'm using Typedef, and after that, go ahead and place semicolon at the end of that new name. And now I need the name of the employee, so char name, and let this have an array of 20. So plus semicolon at the end, and let's say char job, and let that be 20 as well. So plus semicolon there, and let's say the next one is a char car, and let the array length be 20, and let's say the last one is the int salary. So int salary, so plus semicolon right there. So remember, I'm using Typedef, I've created a new name, and that is comp. I'm no longer component. So what I'm going to do now is, I'll go back into the main function, and inside the main function, and I'm going to use the new name, comp, and no longer component. So comp, and assign this to employee. So employee plus semicolon at the end of that. Oh, yeah, strcpy onto get employee dot name. Let employee name be readable. So plus semicolon at the end, and strcpy. So strcpy, let the employee. The next one is the job, employee.job, comma, and let the job be programmer. Plus semicolon at the end of that, and the next one is a car, so strcpy. So strcpy, I want to show you something before you go ahead to do this, because that anytime I type strcpy, I'm expecting that to pop out for me so I can be able to complete it. Let's say for instance, I'm going to say strcp and let's go back stl, and down here you cannot see anything like strcpy. The reason is because we did not import the string header file. So go up here and include the string header file right here. So over here say include. So include string, so string dot hash. So now you've included a string header file. Let's go down here again and check that out. strcpy. So now you can see strcpy has been introduced for me here. Consider as strcpy. So always remember to include your string header file employee.car. So pull comma and let this be Honda. So place semicolon right in, and the last one that we need is the salary. So I'm going to say employee, because no, it's not a string but an integer, employee data salary is equal to $1,000. So now let's go ahead and print this out, because we've changed the name of this from company to comp. Alright, I'm no longer a company. Let's go ahead and print this out and see the result of this. So I'm going to say printf. Let me say employee name is percentage, employee name is percentage s, comma, and the name is employee dot name, and the next one printf employee job is percentage s, employee dot job, comma, and printf employee car is percentage s, employee.car plus semicolon, and then last one is the salary. So employee salary is percentage D and no longer S. Then show the next line, comma, employee dot salary. So comma at the end of that, and if everything been equal and that is the end, we go ahead and run our code. I believe that we have no problem here. Let's go ahead and run this code and check that out. So employee name is Peter Paul, and employee's job is programmer, and employee car is Honda, and employee salary is $1,000. So you can see that we've changed using Typedef. We changed the structure name, the structure variable name, company to comp, and inside the main function, we used comp and no longer company to access the members, alright, of the employee. So go ahead and close this. So this is how you use Typedef, and I believe that you're gonna put this down, and if you have any question on this video lecture, please try to use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.